are going to the waterfall, Kai Waterfall, and
the only one that's not in a national park. You have to pay about 200 baht for a national park.
yeah,
So this one is meant to be free.
it's horrible, horrible, horrible.
Waterfall, yeah. Is the lady up here? Okay. Okay. It's different people every fucking time.
Yeah.
This is the problem. Okay, you?
But
the lady is up here? I don't know.
Oh, we tried to pay, but I don't know who to pay. There's like literally nothing.
We'll soon find out. Watch where you're stepping.
Yeah. Yes. Should probably take a long process for this, but I didn't think that it's gonna be that remote. Quite remote. Very good. Lots of like water pumps running from the ground. Water tubes. Getting difficult. You know, anything to make a video. You okay? Just go. Yes, you can come. Only not kidding. Thank you. Yeah. So I am sweating. Completely sweating. It's not like a sweat from a gym. It's like just water. Waterfall. Look at that. Tiny waterfall. But it is a waterfall. Huh. We made it. Huh. You gonna jump in?
Maybe.
So we are now at the Kai Bay View. It's about 20 minutes walk from our hotel. This is our second time here. The first time we went here with two guys, a couple. We met them here at the island. They arrived a day before us and found us on Instagram and then wanted to meet us because they are traveling for a long time as well, so just wanted to hang out with some people with the similar mindset and then trying to, while traveling, basically meet other fellow travelers. So it was an amazing day. We came here Now we are walking along south the island because we are doing a snorkeling tomorrow, and then we are hiring bike the other day after. We thought we're just gonna do just to walk around. I'm not sure how safe that is because the streets are quite narrow, and there's lots of 4x4 cars and motorcycles. So it's a half an hour walk to another beach. We've got plenty of water on us, so hopefully it will last us a couple of hours. Yeah, we shall go!
Walking through the forest along the road, you get more of a sense of how the island would have been however long ago before most of the settlement, sort of the proper rainforest. You can hear the wildlife again. You can hear it quite a lot in the hotel, but not necessarily during the day.
What do you fun ever when you're riding a bike? Dumbass, gonna kill someone.
Apparently we spoke to a local guide today, and he said that it's very quiet, and the snorkeling we're going to go to tomorrow is very empty, so it can take up to 100 people, but hopefully there won't be too many on there.
Fun.
We've walked to the next beach, saved the money on a taxi, and now we can spend it on a smoothie.
Nice beach.
Go to the village, you take Siem Hat or the nature resort, and then you bypass all that big bullshit that run you over there. Right?
Sure.
They're not very nice to tourists.
No.
I found that out.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. It's much nicer walk through on the beach.
Yeah.
It is.
All the way down on the left side. It's called Siem Hat.
Okay.
Just walk right through it.
Cool.
There's only one hotel who doesn't let you walk through, but it's a Russian place anyway.
Okay. You too, thank you very much. So we arrived at the Lonely Beach. Nice Dutch tourist pointed us in the right direction. So yeah, thank you very much for that again, and Lonely Beach for you here.
In coffee cream sauce. Is that the Russian thing?
I have no idea.
Coffee cream, maybe it doesn't mean coffee cream. So yeah, everything's like 150. That would be like 100 down at thingy. You're paying for the view.
You're paying for the view extra, yeah.
So that's why we won't eat. I don't know, you can get some local stuff.
Oh yeah. No. If that's...
Penang, got Malay.
Yeah. Or that. Yeah, stir fry garlic and black pepper with pork chip. Yeah, you could. That's how you create less plastic waste while you're traveling. We're trying to create less plastic waste while we're traveling because we know that you can create a lot of plastic waste. They put it in a plastic cup, then they put it into a plastic bag and you get a plastic straw. Yeah, you just save a lot of plastic and ocean life. Just, yeah.